Hello everyone, it's Martin here, and in this video I want to show you a new feature that has been added to the MarkBirds database, which has actually been missing right from the very beginning, which is the option to store the province or state name and its code to a location. Now, even though it's just two fields to store information in, it was quite a bit of work to have the whole process automated. And this started by finding a list on the internet of all the provinces and states and their codes of all countries in the world, which I've added to the system, which you can see here. So here you can see that for all the countries in the world, all provinces or states with their codes have been added. And if you find any new ones, then you can add them here. Or if you find any inconsistencies or things that need to be corrected, you can do so here. But basically the way it works is, for instance, if I want to now add a new observation for this bird, I click on Add Observation. And in the list of provinces and states, you can choose the province that's related to the country that's filled in the country field. So here for the Netherlands, you can see that all the provinces of the Netherlands are available, and if I choose one, you can see that the province code is automatically entered. But if I would, for instance, change this to, well, let's say France, then all the provinces in French would be available to me, and the province or state code will automatically change accordingly. Now this is implemented throughout the whole system, so for instance if I add a date to this observation and let's say also a location in France, you can see that as soon as I do that, the province, state and codes and coordinates are automatically updated based on the information that's stored somewhere else in the system, in this case a list of locations. And if I save this, I can for instance copy this location, and for instance if I want to add an observation to another bird, I can just click on Add Observation, click on Paste, and then all the details including the province name and code is automatically added. Let me just delete this here. It also appears in other locations obviously, so for instance if we have a look at the ringing details, then it's also added here. You can also copy and paste it. And also obviously when you add a new bird, let's say by using the form for just adding a bird with a metal ring, then we can also add that information there. So I'm very happy with the addition of this feature to the system, because it's a feature that should really be in there.